back to the channel. Welcome everybody. Listen real quick, I got this 2012 Chrysler 300 check engine light on. A major typical problem with most cars today. I'm not gonna just say Chrysler, but this one has a P0430. Now that's bank 2 cat efficiency failure. It also has a loss of power, some transmission codes in it also. So what I'm gonna have to do is check and diagnose the bank 2 cat converter. Now, as you know, we went over this before. Actually, I'm gonna lower the camera and show you what I'm talking about. Bank 2, the way to find bank 2 cat converter. I got countless videos on this topic. It relates to O2 sensors and the cat converters, how you determine which side each one of them is on. So we're looking for bank 2 cat converter, which means wherever cylinder 2 is will be the same side that bank 2 is. Okay, so and the way to determine which side is cylinder 2 is always try to memorize on most engines. I ain't gonna say all, because there's some weird engines out there. Most engine, cylinder 1 is always up front. Okay, cylinder 1 is always up front. So what you do is look for the cylinder head that's closest to the front. And if you look, normally I can eyeball this. So if you look at this head and just go straight across here and look at this head, from this view, you would assume that this is cylinder 1. Okay, because again, this cylinder head is closest to the front, which means piston 1 is closest to the front. Okay, now that also will have to mean that cylinder 2 is on the other side because they're adjacent to each other. Okay, so what we come to the conclusion is, since this is cylinder 2, 4, and 6 side, that would make this bank 2 side. All right, so if we look down here, bank 2 cat converter should be on this side, and it should be right down there. Okay, so what we do here at the dealer, man, we when we get any kind of cat efficiency code, we typically just replace the cat. Okay, unless you know they got a weird problem going on with the O2 sensors acting up, we just normally just go ahead and replace the cat converters, because that's normally what the problem turned out to be, instead of wasting a lot of time. Now, I'm not going to tell you to diagnosing is wasting time. That's not what I'm saying. I'm saying here in this particular place at the dealership, we're pressed for time, and anytime we see that fault code, we typically end up replacing the cat converter. So that's what I'm gonna do on this one. All right, that's all I have, man. Check engine light on, P0430. So again, that's all I have, man. Thanks for watching, comment and subscribe, and I will see y'all on the next video.